Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with something really cool. Here with me I have the SPD X Strider SMF Mudhorn here with me for a quick review, but hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content right over here. Would you look at this? That's an interesting one. There's some things I really like about this one, something that I really don't like, but this is the SPD Special Project Division X Strider Knives. This is the SMF Mudhorn. This is a special edition, and you can see that here you've got your Mudhorn sigil, that it's deeply engraved into the handle. Look at that. And you've got the blade, of course, with the Beskar finish, and also this is a titanium frame lock, of course, with the matching Beskar finish also on the back. You've got the SPD Kraken right over here on the pocket clip, which is etched. You can feel it, actually, it's nice, with a trident going on like that. It's a special edition. It's a Strider. It's a big boy. It's a titanium frame lock. The blade is CTS XHP. It's made in the US. This is not gonna be a cheap one. I think it's probably gonna be like 12, 13, 14, 1500 bucks if you want to get it, if you're gonna be able to get it on the secondary market. It's a beast. I mean, this is a big boy. I mean, look at that. Just a quick size check. This guy, overall length is 9 inches with a little bit over 3.1, 3.2 inch long blade. So handle to blade ratio is not ideal, but it's a classic design. I mean, it's super recognizable. It's also not like super light. This guy, you're gonna feel this guy in the pocket. I mean, there's some lanyard hold which is not like super light, but I'm just gonna hold it like that, and it's gonna be 6 I would say 6, look at that, 666. Very interesting weight for this big fella. So it's not a light one, it's not a small one, it's a Strider. So if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.